Hey, it's Josh, the face of newest need. I've been using the Shark AV2501S AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a while now, and I can't imagine going back. The Matrix Clean technology covers every corner of my home, and the LiDAR mapping makes it super efficient at navigating around furniture. The best part is the self-emptying base with a 30-day capacity, which means I hardly have to touch it for weeks. As a pet owner, it picks up hair without any issues, though it struggles a bit with thick carpet. I love being able to control it through the app, so I can start cleaning sessions from anywhere. It's been a huge help in keeping my home clean without the effort. Highly recommend it, but that's my opinion.